Hello everyone, welcome to Calem Enterprise Training. Today we're going to cover document and project modules. And document and project modules are part of the Calem Enterprise functions. So let's start with the document module. A document module allows you to upload files of document, drawing, and pictures to Calem. You can then use the document in other modules. Let's look at the document type. You can use document type to auto-number documents. So when you upload a document, you can set a document type, and you can define document pattern in this format. So a text string with %04D indicates I like to pre-fill with up to 4 digits. And if there are no digit, then I would pre-fill with zeros. For instance, with this pattern, we would get document numbers as manual-0001, so total 404D here, and 0002. So let's look at the document creation. So we would leave a document empty, so it would be auto-numbered by Calem, and you can enter a note and set a document type, choose a file to upload, select the access type to be public or application. Public means everyone can access it from outside of Calem. And you can set if the document is site access controlled. You can also have a document as simply a URL reference or as a text comments. The scale down below is for scaling the picture in what called print if you are uploading a picture. Site access control is available for documents. You can specify in this screen which document is accessible for which site. For the hands-on lab, we'd like for you to create a document with URL, and use a document in PM plan, just as a way to reference document. Next, let's look at the project module. So you create a project task, manage a project and a task, and use project in work order and inventory. So let's look at the project creation. You set the project name, the site, and if you're creating the project for a customer or customer site, you can specify it here. Once a project is created, typically you add project tasks. And you can also create work orders for the project. And you can also add a bill of material for the project. So you can then set a project in a requisition, so you can only add material from this list to your requisition. A project have tasks, and a project task can have child tasks. And a project task can also have work orders. So you can add child task for a task and create work orders, add them to a task. For the hands-on part, we like for you to create a project task, and create a work order for the project. For the training module, essentially you create a training, you record users who attended the training, complete the training, and also you want to retrain. So you set training expiration and remind you to retrain people when the training expires. To create a training, you give a training a name, specify the site, what's the course you're training, who's the instructor, start ending time, and you can also set expiration if it requires retraining. You can then add users to the training with the status, for instance, completed training. There could also be certificate for the training. And training Calem would notify you of expired training and users whose training expired when it happens. You can also go to the report in the training module to look at the training expiration. For the training expiration notification, you get a pre-expiration and a post-expiration, so 2 email alerts for the training. For the hands-on lab, we like for you to create a training and add a user to the training. Next, let's look at the integration module. In integration module, you can upload data via Excel and do batch uploads with the scheduled reports, and you can also do SS structure template upload. So for the data upload, you can get Excel templates at the training section of Calem website, and you can also see the data upload guide for more information about how to get other templates. To upload Excel file, you simply go to integration module, choose a file, an Excel file to upload, and save it, and that's it. The Calem would upload the data in the Excel file to the system. For batch upload, we have a daily, you could have a scheduled task running every day. It scans a directory, and if there are Excel files there, it would read the Excel file, upload to Calem. So for you to streamline the batch upload, you can build your script and put up just to upload the Excel file to Calem server, and Calem then would upload the data automatically. For the ASC upload, this is for a business case where you have offshore data usage collection, and you upload data when you come onshore and from Excel files. You can upload meter readings, work orders created, work orders updated, work orders completed, items you need to requisition, and also the items you received. And so the Excel templates can be used to upload all this information. You can see the Calem ASC integration guide for more information. We also support a scheduled report. So to create a scheduled report, you just specify the report that's supported by doing the lookup, and specify the owner site. This is for access control, and select a profile for the report, essentially the data range, if it's from a single site or from multiple sites, and specify the initial report date and a schedule to repeat the report. You can also specify a data range and a separate locale. For instance, you want the report to be in Spanish, and it would be the Spanish locale you would pick. And once this is done, you would receive the report based on the schedule you define in PDF. And there are other functions in the integration module. We have a history list of uploaded files. There are also a menu for offline client payment integration using PayPal. For instance, the merchant list, the paid invoices, and you can take a look at them. You can find more information in the admin guide of Calem Offline for Android. In the hands-on lab, we like for you to import locations via the Excel template at the training section of Calem site. The last module is the favorite module in Calem that shows you all the menu access history you've done with Calem, and also allows you to put often used menu into the favorite form so you can quickly open a form. Let's take a look at the example. So here's the favorite module. You can see that on the right hand side are all the history menu you have accessed. On the left hand side are the favorite menu you can configure. You can order the favorite menus, move them up and down. You can remove, you can simply remove a menu, or you can just drag a menu and drop them. Say data upload, we can just drop them over as a favorite menu. So with the favorite list, you can click a menu to open the screen quickly. So that's all the training for the functional modules in Calem that are sufficient for day-to-day operation. Hopefully you can take advantage of Calem Enterprise to optimize your operations. Let us know if there are any questions. Thank you.